My name is Christian Gill, chef and spiceologist with Spiceology.
What's up, everyone? My name's Tony Reed, and I'm the director of culinary at Spiceology. Welcome to the presentation about good burgers. Burgers are the bastion of sandwich creativity in the F&B world. From the classic cheeseburger to a vegetarian burger, it is impossible to run out of flavor profile ideas for the supreme sandwich. Did you get the impossible joke?
No, sorry, it was beyond me.
We have 100+ blends for you to experiment with, but here are the top 5 culinary closing blends to apply to your patties. SPG, Burger Season, Prime Rib Rub, Cowboy Crust, and everyone's favorite, Greek Freak.
SPG, the week in, week out workhorse, because sometimes all you need to get the job done is salt, pepper, and garlic. You can season the bulk of the beef before making the patties, or the dust and smash when the patty hits the griddle or the grill.
Burger Season. Our boy Chef Alvin signed off on this one. There's a reason he's the host of the Burger Show. Umami-based balance is the name of the game thanks to salt, pepper, garlic, and the perfect amount of Mexican oregano.
Let's round out the salt, pepper, garlic blends with our prime rib rub. Don't let the name fool you. We should have called this steakhouse blend, but here we are. This course flavor bomb adds a tiny bit of heat and sweet to the beef, bean, or any veggie patties thanks to the paprika, tomato, and red bell pepper.
Cowboy Crust. This espresso chili blend is great in the brunch burger you should probably have on every menu. You can do more than just put an egg on it. Add this semi-fine blend right into the mix before pattying, or dust it if you want more of that roasted espresso bite. Give it the old yeehaw with the Cowboy Crust. Did you write that line?
Yep, yes I did. Greek Freak. Herbs on herbs on herbs on herbs on herbs, plus some garlic, chili flake, orange peel, and sun-dried tomato. Remember what we said about herbaceous blends and letting them rehydrate? Throw Greek Freak in the ground lamb or beef mix before patting.
Go experiment with flavor.
The flavor solution is Spiceology.